Alright guys, so in this video I'm just going to go over how to create and build out a .html file inside of VS Code. That's what I'm going to be using today. For this project I'm going to be using a VS Code extension called Live Server. Here it is. Basically just allows you to simply and quickly open up a live server on your machine. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a new file inside of your directory. You can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to name mine index. And to create an HTML file, you just need to use .html. Okay. Now, the first thing that you should always do at the top of your HTML document is do a caret exclamation mark doc type HTML. That just lets it know that it is an HTML document. Okay. The next thing you're going to want to do is create an HTML tag. Okay. So your entire HTML document is going to go inside of this tag right here. And after your HTML tag, the first thing you usually want to do is put a head tag. Okay. Now inside of this head tag is where you can put your meta tags or your metadata. Metadata is basically just data for the web page, basically. I'm not going to get super in depth into metadata, but that's basically what it is. But inside of this head tag is where you can also do a title tag. Now the title tag is the text that appears in the tab of your web page. All right. So I'll show you this here in a second when we open up our live server. Okay. For now, I'll just put HTML right there. Okay. Now after our head tag, we can put our body tag just like that. Inside of the body is basically just going to be the rest of our HTML document. So I'm going to go ahead and right click just anywhere. Come down here, open with live server. Wait for that. I can see it started at port 5500. All right, so we can see now that it is open. The live server is open for this index.html document. So this title tag, as I was just saying, is what's up here, right? So you can see it says HTML right here. That is our title tag, and we can change this to index HTML doc, and it will render that index HTML doc right there. All right, so you can name this anything you want. You can make this title anything you want. I'm just going to leave this as HTML, just like that. So inside of this body tag, we'll have the rest of our HTML document. So I'm going to just do a header tag, and I'll just say HTML practice. Then we can have, I don't know, we can have a div. Then we can say a p tag, hello world. We can have an input tag. We can have a button, click me. We can see this is the header, hello world for the p tag, and then we have our input right here, and we have our button right here. All right, so that's how you can create an HTML file from scratch. Now there's an easier way to do this, much more simple way. Now to provide a quick HTML document structure, you can just type a bang. Okay, a bang is just an exclamation mark. We just type that and we press enter on that. You can see it goes through all of that initial setup. It adds some meta tags, document title, adds a language of English, adds the full basic setup for us, so we don't have to do anything, and it still works as expected. We can type, you know, hello, it'll render, you know, we can do header, HTML practice, right? So it still works as expected. But yeah, that's how you basically set up, create, and work with an HTML file. But yeah, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below, and I'll try and answer them as best I can. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.